Rumor has it that the founder of solid-state logic, Mr. Colin Sanders, Yasso. Wow. Okay, let's go.
I know what you're thinking. Another audio interface? Really, SSL? Well, yes, another audio interface from solid-state logic, now in its second generation by way of the 2 and 2 Plus. We probably will see an SSL 12 Mark II, but right now we've got the 2 and 2 Plus. I'm particularly fond of the 2 Plus because it hits the sweet spot. I submix virtual instruments with my keyboard stereo output. This allows me to send a stereo submix, a track, and a click to the house. Don't even need external power. Very mobile, very portable. I can throw it in the laptop bag, carefully throw it in the laptop bag, and just show up at the gig. Plug in, play, great. Everything works. There was a time when it was super complex and you just couldn't get your stuff to work. Now, they just work with all the computers. I like the design choice, personally, because when I have this thing on a keyboard, it's really nice that I can just reach over, have everything that I need, have a quick glance at everything. Now, the LED gain meters are not too granular, but it's unlikely that it's going to bother you because you're going to be in your practice room and you're going to sweeten and tweak your sound. So it's likely not going to bother you and you won't have to keep an eye on it all the time. I just like the fact that you can by way of this tabletop design. I think it's really cool. Nothing gets in the way, everything is neat. You can kind of hide the interface away, it's small and compact. I'm really grateful that output 3 and 4 are no longer RCA outputs. They are 1/4-inch jack outputs. I can submix my keyboards and virtual instruments from my computer on outputs 1 and 2, send a click on output 3, and send a track on output 4, all with one type of instrument cable. The reason it's important for me to have that much 1/4-inch jack cable is because the bass player is going to try and sabotage your gig by forgetting his instrument cable. Not Johan. Johan's a great bass player. He also has his instrument cable with him at all times. The solid-state logic 2 Plus Mark II covers all the fundamental bases for the modern musician. I mean, you've got 2 inputs, you've got 4 outputs, you've got MIDI in and out as well, all of that on the back panel. Easy access to its features by way of the top panel, and then is that it's simple, easy to use, and it sounds good. I'm really glad that I got to put it through its paces. It really holds up well. Overall, I think this is a winner.